Today I'm going to be showing you the PDI Easy Screen wipes. This container contains 70 wipes and they are perfect for cleaning touch screens, your computer screens, your smartphone screens. They're a really awesome product. I'm going to show you how it works. So this is what the container looks like. You can see the ingredients and how to use them in the back. And then I'm going to open this up and I'm going to show you how you use it. So how you use it is there's a top cap here that you pop off, and the wipe is supposed to go through this small hole, but sometimes they get a little stuck inside. So all you need to do is just pop off the cap and take one out. Always make sure you put the cap back on, because if you don't, then the wipes will dry out on you and will be no use. So it's always important. And these are slightly wet, so they're moistened. And then what you're supposed to do is you take a screen and you just wipe it off. And any dirt or grime will go on here. These computers are cleaned very well, but this is a basic understanding of how to use the product. I'm very pleased with these.